How many hours have you wasted manually tracking model iterations only to miss a critical data schema change before audit season? If you're an AI engineer or ML practitioner drowning in Git commit chaos, our building AI changelog generator is your lifeline. This skill cracks open your Git history to auto-generate audit-ready changelogs, extracts metadata from PyTorch/TensorFlow models, tracks version diffs across training data splits, and standardizes documentation with ISO-compliant formatting. Whether you're a ML ops engineer managing deployment pipelines, a data scientist iterating on feature engineering, or a DevOps lead overseeing model registry compliance, this tool transforms chaos into clarity. Say goodbye to spreadsheet-based tracking. We both know that system hasn't worked since 2020. Here's what's inside the Building AI changelog generator skill. First, intelligent Git commit parsing that identifies model architecture changes in your code diffs. Second, automated metadata extraction that pulls hyperparameters and training metrics directly from ML flow runs. Third, version history mapping that visualizes lineage between model checkpoints. Fourth, audit trail generation with GDPR-compliant timestamping. Fifth, integration with CI/CD pipelines to auto-update changelogs during deployment. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just documentation, it's your project's memory palace. Installing the Building AI changelog generator skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building AI changelog generator. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance and code templates baked in, including ready-to-run Python scripts for commit analysis and JSON schema definitions for audit trails. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. No config files needed. Your AI assistant now knows how to parse your ML project structure, identify meaningful changes, and format outputs for regulatory reviews. And unlike that automated tracking system you built in Notion last quarter, this actually works. Ready to make manual changelogs obsolete?